I'm about to show you guys how to be getting to the money. Hello y'all, and welcome back to another video. If you are a returning subscriber, hello. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to show you guys how to be getting to the money. That's all I'm here to do, just show you guys how to get to the money. So I got my drink here, my little kombucha. All right, let's get started. So aren't these cups cute? I got them off Amazon, so that drink will be linked in my Amazon storefront down below. If y'all don't know, that's going to be one of the streams of income you can start doing to make money on the side. A list of things you can do to make different streams of income if you are a hairstylist or just in general, really. These are the things that I do, and you can really tweak them to just be customized to whatever it is that you do already. Or if you're not doing anything related to these things, you can just customize it to be in your own way. But you'll see what I'm saying in just a minute. Just wait. These are going to be a list of things you can do that are pretty much super easy. Some of them may be a little bit harder than others, but overall super easy for anybody who's just trying to make another stream of income. Let's start off with the first one, which will be YouTube. So YouTube, what we're on right now, is a platform where you can upload things that you know, things that you want to show, or if you just want to like give entertainment. There's different reasons why people get on YouTube. It doesn't have to be to do tutorials. It doesn't have to be to do vlogs. It can be something so simple. There's people who put up videos of ocean sounds so people can go to sleep. There's people who put up videos of fireplaces so people can just watch a fireplace and play it non-stop. So that's a form of income that you can make from YouTube, a platform where you can just upload really anything that you're good at. Or anything that you have education on. You can just share it with the world on that platform and start getting paid. If you already do have a channel, the good thing about that is you have to, and you should be doing this. You must be doing this. You have to. You should already have an Amazon storefront. An Amazon storefront is where you can link products down below in your videos, just so that people can head to those links and purchase something that you maybe have in the video. Or even if they're just on your link and purchasing other things from Amazon, you still get a commission. Remember that. Using Amazon storefront in my YouTube videos, I use Amazon storefront on my story on Instagram. I use those links for pretty much anything. Anytime somebody asks me where I got something from, I send them my Amazon storefront link and I link it to the product and I send it to them through text, email, whatever. And if they purchase that product, I'll get commission. Even if they use my link to be on Amazon, you'll still get a commission. So I'll show you guys, you know, how much I make sometimes every now and then just from using Amazon storefront. If you're a braider, this would really help, because when I make my YouTube videos, I always show like products that I'm using, things that I need in the video, and I just link it down below, and people will just buy it because they want to make sure that they get all the products that you're showing all in one. Some people don't want to head to the store and try to like go back to the video, so they'll just purchase all the things they need on Amazon and it'll come straight to them. Number two. Well, this is number three, I think. A hair braider or just a hairstylist in general, you can start to sell things that you purchase from AliExpress. So if you buy something off AliExpress that you use as a hairstylist or just anybody in general, you can resell those items for a little bit more on your website or even in person. I personally, for example, have bonnets that I purchased from AliExpress. And then I just resell them just, you know, for a little bit more. I get them in bulk and then I just resell them. That's an example of something you can do. It doesn't have to be bonnets. AliExpress has a variety of things that you can purchase. I think they even have cups like these. So if you want to purchase some of these cups and resell them somewhere on your website, or just like maybe start an Instagram page or a TikTok account, whatever, you can start to resell them. So keep that in mind. Okay, another way that you can make money is from digital products like an ebook. You can create an ebook on literally anything. It can be on something that you know, something that you want to share, just anything. And all you have to do is just promote yourself so people can find your ebook. As long as you're promoting yourself, there are ways to be found. And ways for people to find your material and make a purchase. Another way to make money is selling a service. Right now I do hair, so if you're good at doing hair, or maybe you're good at painting. I had somebody from TaskRabbit literally paint my room just white. It wasn't really like a hard task, something I could have done myself, but I just didn't feel like it. So you can always get on TaskRabbit if you know how to do I think it's more of like home decor and like freelance work like that. So painting or like mounting something or moving something, you can always get hired for that from TaskRabbit. Make extra money. You can sell services like something that you baked or cooked or made. You can do hair, you can do makeup, you can just sell a service that you're good at, maybe a babysitting service. I have a friend who has a service as a dog sitter. I think there's an app called Rover, or you know, there's apps for pet sitting if you're good with pets. She's a vet, so she is able to take care of dogs. But I think even if you're not, you can still do it and take care of animals and pet sit. Easy money. You're already home. All you have to do is walk the dog, maybe care for it a little bit, and keep it cute, and you know, send it home. That's a way to make money that I really didn't think of until she told me that that's how she's getting to her money. So another thing I do as a content creator and a hairstylist, I resell wigs. If I have a wig that has been sent to me and I've already worn it, I can just revamp it and put it on and sell it. Or sometimes I just put on wigs one time and I just resell them, because I'm probably not gonna wear it again, because there's always gonna be a new wig that I'm probably gonna want to put on more. So yeah, one of the basic ways people make money is going to be DoorDash or Uber or Lyft. Those, or Instacart. Yeah, those are some basic ways that I know everybody says. That's something that I can do personally. I don't have a car, but recently I did find out that you can rent cars, I think through the Uber app, to then Uber people around. You can also rent a car from a place that rents cars and just go around the city and do Uber, Lyft, Instacart, Postmates, whatever. To pay a percentage towards the people that you're renting from in order to continue to use the vehicle. The way you can start getting paid is through TikTok. If you make consistent videos, honestly, TikTok, as long as it's a clear video, it's consistent, and it's maybe entertaining or educational, it'll probably go a little bit far on TikTok. You can start getting paid up there. So I know a girl, I think she makes like videos of her dog, and she gets about like a couple bands, I think, a month from just posting her dog. So yeah, people like videos like that. You can look up videos people really love and then just try to keep it consistent as possible. For me, I post on TikTok almost every day. So another way that you can make money is through Poshmark. You can sell your items that you have or no longer want and just resell them through Poshmark. I do have a few items on my Poshmark. I'll leave it down below, of things I'm just trying to get rid of or things that don't really fit and I probably haven't even worn. So Poshmark is another good way to like get money, resell things, and just get money for items that are probably laying around that you're not using anyway. I hope this video has helped you. These are just a few ways of how you can make money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make different streams of income come to you. Customize these incomes into what works for you. It doesn't have to be exactly selling what I'm selling or doing what I'm doing, but as long as you have that stream of income idea, you can make it bigger than what it is. Do give this video a thumbs up. I'm trying to get to like 200 likes. So I think we can do that. It's not too much to ask of. So just make sure that you thumbs up this video, y'all, in my next one. Bye.